Hello everyone, welcome to Shubh and Pradipta's kitchen, and today we are baking an apple cinnamon cake. For baking an apple cinnamon cake, we are using the following ingredients: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 100 grams salted butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs we are using, 2 apples we will use, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we'll fry the apples. So first and foremost we are using 2 teaspoon of butter. Let it melt. Now we'll add apple to it. Just stir it very slowly. The gas should be at a medium flame. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it and we'll stir it properly. Once the sugar melts, we'll add cinnamon powder to it. We have to cook it at a very slow flame and don't overcook it. Mix it again. So here our apple filling is ready. Now we'll see the dry ingredients first. This is the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda. We'll sieve it together. Now we'll beat the 2 eggs properly. Now we'll add sugar to it and we'll mix it properly. Now we'll add dry ingredients into it. We'll gradually mix it batch-wise. Now we'll add butter to it and we'll also add vanilla essence to it. And now we'll mix it properly. So we have greased the mold properly and placed the butter paper. Now we'll put 1 layer of the batter. Then we'll put apple filling on it, 1 layer of apple filling. Similarly, we'll put the another layer of the batter. And in the similar manner, we'll put another layer of apple filling on it. We have preheated the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Now we'll transfer the batter into it and let it bake for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes of baking, we can see how beautiful the cake is looking. Now we'll let it cool down for 10 minutes. Now we'll demold the cake. So our apple cinnamon cake is ready.